Halo, selamat malam. Saya Autar Singh. Nombor handphone saya 0178722230. Saya tak tahulah apa sudah jadi ya pada ini Pakatan Government terutamanya DAP lah buat benda-benda macam ni ya. Dia mau itu sampah pun dia mau kasih separate halal dan tak halal. Itu duit pun kasih separate lah. Halal no halal. Macam mana you mau kasih separate? Ini duit halal, ini duit tara halal. Sampah pun orang mau kasih ini macam. Ini bodoh punya Angsiulin Esko DAP dia cakap apa? What is he say this is state guideline is they not yet implement. And benda ni wujud sejak 2010 lagi dia cakap. Ini undang-undang. Then why you talk about it now? Why you bring this issue now? Why you need to make this stupid statement now? You don't need to make this statement. It's just like the stupid guideline, the church, the rumah ibadat bukan Islam, cannot be more than 72 feet or 73 feet. Cannot be higher than mosque. What kind of ridiculous guideline is that? Now, by making the church higher means that the Muslim belief will become lower? Stupid lah, y'all. The Islam religion is from the heart. It's not by the size of the building, Bodoh punya Pakatan punya government. And then you make one more ruling, what? There must be 5,000 rumah penganut bukan Islam, then only can make that particular rumah ibadat for them. Example, there must be 5,000 Christian there, then only can make one church there. What kind of ridiculous law is all this? It's been approved last year, 2025 December, but we have not implemented yet. Then why the hell you go and approve in the first place? Something like that. Stupid, sampah also you want to halal and haram. You know what is halal or not? What's the meaning of halal? The whole sampah itself is already considered haram, It's dirty. I really don't know lah. I don't know who went and make this law under Pakatan punya government 2010 after Barisan fall in 2008 this kind of undang-undang orang kasih lulus state planning guideline all this ridiculous guideline ini tadi church punya itu bangunan rumah ibadat bukan Islam all the guideline itu babi tak boleh bela dekat Selangor. This is all you people something wrong. Saya minta semua orang Cina dan India dekat Johor dan Negeri Sembilan jangan undi ini DAP tau. Jangan undi ini Pakatan Harapan, jangan undi ini Amanah, jangan undi PKR tau. Ini semua tak boleh pakai punya parti. Pakatan Harapan sudah tak ada harapan. Dia orang semua taruh pisang dalam mulut duduk tau. Kasih lulus ini macamnya undang-undang semua tak ada pakai otak tau dia orang. Tak tahulah, mungkin dia orang tak ada hadir itu meeting kah, atau dia orang tak ada baca itu minit mesyuarat kah. Tak tahulah, I don't know what is happening, Cadangan-cadangan mau tukar ini macamnya lah. Ini guideline semua dia orang tak ada baca lah. I don't know what is wrong with this Pakatan, Seriously. So, semua orang Cina dan India dekat Johor dan Negeri Sembilan jangan undi ini Pakatan. Tengok apa dia orang buat. Tolong